Welcome to Offlow. If you just purchased OflowDOM, this video walks you through everything you need to get started. After your purchase, you will receive an email with your license key. That key is your personal activation code. Keep it safe. Go to OflowTrading.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Here you will find your license key, your machine activations, and the download button. You can activate OflowDOM on up to 2 machines. If you need to switch to a different computer, you can deactivate a machine directly from your dashboard and activate a new one. Make sure you have NinjaTrader 8 installed and running. OflowDOM is built natively for NinjaTrader 8 and does not work with any other platform. When you are ready, click the Download Installer button. Once you have downloaded the installer, make sure NinjaTrader 8 is completely closed before you continue. This is important. The installation will not work properly if NinjaTrader is still running. Double-click the installer file. Windows Smart Screen will show you a warning message. This is completely normal. It happens with any software that is not code signed yet. There is nothing harmful in this file. It is safe. Click on More Info, then click Run Anyway. The installer will open. Follow the steps and complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, you can open NinjaTrader 8 again. OflowDOM is now installed and ready to use. Now open NinjaTrader 8. When NinjaTrader starts, it will detect that a new add-on has been installed. You will see a message asking you to authorize OflowDOM add-on. Click Yes. This is NinjaTrader confirming that a new add-on has been added. Completely normal. Once NinjaTrader is open, go to the top menu and click New. At the bottom of the list, you will see Oflow. Click on it. The first time you open OflowDOM, the product activation window will appear. Enter the license key you received by email and click Activate. Once activated, OflowDOM is ready to use. That is it. You are fully set up. In the next video, I will walk you through the features and how to customize OflowDOM to your trading style. See you then.